This is a 30 pack of the Disposable Seafood Bibs adult size, okay? There is a pack of 30, and these seafood bibs come as part of a gift I'm giving. I thought they were so cute. Useful when butter is flying and shirts are in danger. They're a full 23 inches long, lightweight, and the crab design here is fun and so festive. People are going to want to wear these. The size is so generous. It's going to cover the full front, so guests of all ages won't get butter on their clothing. The material is durable enough for a feast without tearing. This is not paper. This is lightweight plastic, okay? And it is clean up in an instant. Wipe it up, okay? And it is disposable. The designs are bright and so cute. This is going to set the playful party tone that I'm looking for. Again, they come individually wrapped, so you can just hand them out. These bibs are a win for seafood nights. They're going to keep clothes clean and make the meal so much fun. If you want a simple, protective, and party-ready item, I'd absolutely grab a pack of these.